The Samsung Galaxy A7 comes with triple rear camera. Choose from 3 colors: black, blue and gold. Choose between 2 memory variants: 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage or 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. Internal memory is expandable up to 512GB. Both SIM slots support 4G VoLTE capability. The 6-inch Super AMOLED Infinity display provides an immersive experience. Unlock the phone using the side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The 25-megapixel plus 8-megapixel plus 5-megapixel triple rear camera allows you to capture images in low light, and 120-degree ultra-wide-angle lens is great for you to capture scenery. The 24-megapixel front camera helps you take great selfies with portrait mode. The phone runs on Android Nougat. The Exynos 7885 octa-core processor provides for an immersive gaming and entertainment experience. This phone is powered by a 3300 mAh battery. The box includes handset, earphones, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin, and user manual. Check the product page for details on EMI options and exchange. For further information on the product, warranty, payment, and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.